Oops.
So, we have this really awesome video of you performing with these little girls at the GR Hall. It was an accidental thing.
Yeah.
Power went out. Little girl got scared. Tell us what happened.
So yeah, in the middle of, I think it was in the middle of me playing, so we did the recording of the song, and then in the middle of the concert part of it, where I was playing for people, in the middle of a song, the power went out. So, and I know that people were kind of worried and nervous because it was flickering, and one of the little girls was scared that there was ghosts, and her mom was thinking like maybe we should leave. So I thought, okay, well, I'm gonna just utilize this. So I stepped away from the mic, unplugged, just went down, sat on the stage and said, come over here, everyone just chill, we're cool, everything's cool. And I brought her to sit next to me, and just said, I'll sing you a song, which kind of turned into like a Julia Andrews moment, which I loved. It was so cute. All the kids were kind of around. Yeah, I just kind of utilized that moment. Sometimes I think when scary or bad things happen, that it's actually, those are gifts. And with this particular moment, I feel like it was definitely a positive thing, and it turned into something pretty precious. The kids were adorable. She instantly went from like scared, terrified to just, I asked her to come sit next to me and she was like, okay. And it was like diverted, and which was really, really precious. And it was a really cool moment. So I was really happy about that. But that's the whole point, take those limitations and make it something good.
So check this out.
I'm not sure if this is going on the album yet or not. It's actually on piano, but I'm playing guitar. If I can figure it out. When the moon has turned on and silence has dawned, there is life, and it aches with song. There is life, carry on. When the stars can foresee every age and story, there is life, when it hurts to breathe. There is life, let it be. And the sun can be cruel in facing the day, as if telling the moon not to stay. And as time gathers loneliness, the moon has its way. It returns as if only to say, I am here, so be strong. And when your slumber has gone, there is life, you'll always belong. There is life, and it aches with song. There is life, welcome the night, carry on.